Good afternoon, pupils. You are welcome to today's mathematics lesson. I am Mrs. Adekombi Ijeoma. Today in mathematics, we are looking at another aspect of average, which is titled median, mode, and range. Say that, everybody. Median, mode, and range. Good. In our previous class, we learned about average, and we learned that the formula for average is sum of items over number of items, and we took some word problems on that topic. Today we are looking at something quite different: the median, mode, and range. We'll pick one after the other. First of all, let's take the median. What is the median, everybody? Let's read it together. Median is the middle value after arranging the set in order of in either ascending or descending order. It is the middle value after arranging the set in either ascending or descending order. The key word here is the middle. Middle value, take note of that. Another key word is ascending and descending. Ascending order simply means from the smallest to the biggest, from the smallest value to the largest value. And then descending order is the opposite of ascending. That is, from the largest value to the smallest value. This simply means that to find the median of a set, arrange the numbers first. I will prefer ascending order. That is, from the smallest value to the largest value. Then count. By the time you count, you identify what the middle value is. And that is your median. Very quickly, let's look at the mode. The mode is the number that appears most often after arranging the set in either ascending or descending order. The most often, the one that appears most. Remember, you must first of all arrange. I prefer to use the ascending order. You can see that for median, you arrange first. For mode, you also arrange first. The same thing goes for range. This time, range is the difference between the largest and the smallest values in the set. Remember, you have arranged it from the smallest to the largest value. To find the range, simply pick that smallest value and the largest value, then find their difference, that is, subtract. With all this in mind, let's look at our examples. The first one says, find the median, mode, and range of the following. The median, mode, and range of the following. The first thing we do is to arrange the set. Remember, I said we prefer to use the ascending order. Look at the set. We have 5, 8, 5, 7, 5. If we are going to arrange in ascending order, which number comes first? Awesome. Can you tell us? Beautiful. 5. Excellent. Emmanuel, can you tell us the next number? Remember, from the smallest to the largest. Excellent. 5. Samuel, can you tell us the next number? Good. 5. Onosho, what is the next number? Remember, we have picked 5, 5, 5. We have 8 and 7 left. Excellent. 7. And the last number, everybody, is 8. First of all, we were told to find the median. Write the median. Remember, we have arranged from the smallest to the largest. The median is the middle value. Median, middle. Say middle, everybody. Middle. Look at the set. How many numbers do I have altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So since I have 5 numbers, the third number will be my middle value. Or I can simply do this by striking out 1 from this side, 1 from the other side. 1 to this side, 1 to the other side. So my middle value is 5. That means that our median is 5. Now let's look for the mode. Remember, we must first of all arrange in ascending order. Let's just transfer what we have here. Let's go, everybody. 5, 5, 5, 7, and 8. Mode. Mode means most often. So let's just put the word most. Most is our key word here. Most. Look at the value. Which one do you think is appearing most? Is it 5, 7, or 8? Tolu, tell us. Excellent. It's 5. So that means our mode here is 5. We move on to the last aspect of the question, the range. Everybody say range. Range. Before we do that, let's also capture the ascending order we have done. Range is largest minus smallest. Largest value minus the smallest value. Good. So what is the largest value here, class? 8. 8 is my largest value. What is the smallest value? 5. Now let us subtract. What do we have? 8 minus 5 gives 3. So you can see that we have found our median, mode, and range. Is that clear, everybody? Beautiful. So let's look at the next example. Find the median, mode, and range of the set. You can see that in this case you are given values. You can also work with them. Just do them carefully. The first thing we do is to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Yes. Can you tell me the number that will be first in this case? Beautiful. We have 3 meters. Good. Which one will be next? 3 meters. Excellent. Next, 6 meters. Next, 8 meters. Next, 10 meters. And the largest value there is 12 meters. Beautiful. The first thing to look for is the median. What is the key word in the median, class? Middle. Very good. Say middle. Good. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is quite tricky, but don't worry. Let's use the striking out method. 1 to the left, 1 to the right. Let's go. Another to the left, another to the right. So we have 2 in the middle. Sometimes you might have 2 middle values. In this case, you find their average. You remember what we treated average? The formula is sum of items over number of items. The sum of items here is 6 meters plus 8 meters. Let's count the items. 2. Let's add up. What is 6 plus 8, class? 14 meters. If we divide 14 meters by 2, what do we have? 7 meters. So you can see that therefore our median is 7 meters. Good. You see what we did when we had 2 values in the middle. Just find their average. The next is the mode. What is the key word for mode, Deborah? Most. Thank you. Now, we shall capture our mode from the value we have there. Look at it well. Which one appears most? Kelvin, tell us. 3. Beautiful. So our mode is equal to 3 meters. And we move on to range. Range, remember, range is the largest value minus the smallest value. Largest minus smallest. Now let's capture the largest from the ascending order we have done. What is the largest value, class? 12 meters. Beautiful. Nicole, what is the smallest value? 3 meters. So let's subtract. What is 12 minus 3? 9 meters. Very good. You can see that we have successfully solved the 2 examples. Remember the key word. What is the key word for median? Middle. What is the key word for mode? Most. And what is the key word for range? The largest value minus the smallest value. Beautiful. A round of applause for yourselves. Good. Now your exercise has been posted to the WhatsApp platform. Do it neatly and do not rush. Thank you. I remain Mrs. Adekombi Ijoma.